Welcome to Securium Academy. Want to get into cybersecurity, one of the critical fields in the world, but might be looking for a start? Here we introducing the gold standard SEC100, or which is known as Cyber Core Security Essentials, which is brought up by OffSec. So these OffSec were the creators of Kali Linux, the most used hacking platform, which is included by OSCP, the most demanding certifications. So this is mainly built for the entry-level IT professionals and the recent graduates or those who explore cybersecurity as a career. So make your resume stand out with an industry recognized certification. And this course is having 40 modules and practical hands-on labs. So this makes it unlike any other introductory certification in the market. So get exposed to the most impactful areas of cybersecurity, including offensive and defensive techniques, web application security, secure development, and career advice in all the modules. So start your journey towards a future-proof career with security aspects and with the most comprehensive level cyber course and the certifications. So let's introduce our course. Introduction to SEC100. So OSCC is designed as an introductory course for those who are new to the cybersecurity, and this is a foundational program which provides us a comprehensive overview of all the security aspects, the tools, practices, everything. And also, OffSec has crafted this course to be accessible, ensuring that the beginners can also build a strong base while preparing for more advanced certifications. Let's go to the course summary. So this course, SEC100, this is a comprehensive course which is designed to launch our cybersecurity career. So this covers the offensive and defensive techniques, networking, scripting, cloud, security essentials, and this is a hands-on labs and the online content preparing the learners for this OSCC exam and variety of the entry-level cybersecurity roles. So let's go to the explanation of the course summary. And whenever we are considering regarding the learning methodology, this is utilizing the learning approach which combines with the online instructions with the hands-on labs. So let's engage the learners with the course materials, including the video lectures, readings, quizzes, and applying the entire technical knowledge so that we can develop our practical skills. So let's go to the course structure. So basically, this is easy 100, this course, it is containing different modules like the anatomy of the cybersecurity frameworks and standards, cybersecurity roles, Linux basics, Windows basics, data transformation fundamentals, Python scripting fundamentals, PowerShell scripting fundamentals, networking fundamentals. So finally, we will understand the basics of networking, the protocols, topologies, and how the data is flowing across the networks, which is crucial to understand how these attacks are propagating. So let's divide this entire course into 6 categories. This includes introduction, basic cybersecurity information, general skills, offensive, defensive, and finally build. So let's move on to the category sessions. So we will be first starting with the initial module, which is the introduction part or the introduction category. So this will be containing the introduction for cyber core security essentials. And second module will be basic cybersecurity information. This will be containing the anatomy of cybersecurity frameworks and standards, as well as cybersecurity roles. So whenever we are talking about anatomy of cybersecurity, here we will be understanding the fundamental principles of cybersecurity, including the common threats, vulnerabilities, and the importance of proactive defense. And in case of cybersecurity frameworks and standards, here we will learn about the industry recognized frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001. And this is giving us the guidance for implementing the effective security practices. And the final one, which comes under the cybersecurity roles. So here we will discover the diverse career paths which are available in cybersecurity, from the penetration testers and the security analysts to the incident responders and the security architect. So let's move on to the next module, which is general skills. So here we will be introducing to the general cybersecurity skills, which includes the Linux basics. So in Linux Basics, we will be mastering the fundamentals of Linux operating system, which is a critical skill for the cybersecurity professionals due to its prevalence in the server environment. And the next one is Windows Basics. So here we will gain familiarity with the Windows OS and its security features and the common vulnerabilities which are exploited by the attackers. And the next comes data transformation fundamentals. So here we will learn how we can manipulate and transform the data using various techniques and a valuable skill for analyzing the security logs and identifying patterns. Next, move on to Python scripting fundamentals. So here we will master the basics of Python, a versatile programming language which is used for automation, scripting security tools, and developing the exploits. And the next one will be PowerShell scripting fundamentals. So here we will learn the essentials of a PowerShell, the powerful scripting language which is used for automating the task in the Windows environment. And the next one is networking fundamentals. So here we will understand the basics of networking, including the protocols, topologies, and how the data is flowing across the network, which are crucial for understanding how the attack is propagating. And then after that, we will be having the different categories like enterprise, network firewalls, cloud computing, AI, and finally cryptography. And the next module, we will be coming to offensive, which will be introducing offensive cybersecurity skills, penetration testing process, information gathering and enumeration, understanding the web attack, attacking the endpoints, defensivation, and offensive cloud fundamentals. Not but the least, we have next the defensive techniques, which introduces the defensive cybersecurity skills, which includes SOC management process, defensive security process, vulnerability management, malware analysis, social engineering and phishing, ransomware, DDoS, and availability, and Wi-Fi security, security of the embedded systems, industrial control systems, and OT, and finally we have the risk management in cybersecurity. And finally, we will be having our final module which contains build. So here we will be introducing the build skills for the cybersecurity, which includes software engineering security and foundational input validation, cloud architecture, introduction to assurance testing, and finally, we will be starting and developing a career in cybersecurity. So in this way, we can launch our cybersecurity career with OffSec 100 and we can gain the skills the employers are in demand and validate our expertise. So finally, the certification proves your mastery of the essential cybersecurity domains. As an advantageous level, we can say that this will be opening doors for a rewarding career. We can invest in our future, and these professionals will be in high demand. As a result, we can say that these are the career advancements which results in the role of a junior pen tester or a SOC analyst or a IT security specialist or a junior level security consultant. So thank you. Any questions, please contact us.